Hello everyone. Welcome back to Educator Guru YouTube channel. In my previous video, we had learnt about number system. Today, we'll go through theory of equations, that is chapter 2 of Bumastics subject. Before starting, I would like to request everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and share among your friends. Thank you. Now, let us start with the meaning of equations. An equation is a mathematical statement with an equal to symbol between two expressions that have equal values. So the symbol is equal to. This is how. So the LHS and RHS of the equation, that is left hand side and right hand side of the equation, should be matching like that. It should be equal. That is what an equation means in the mathematical term. However, the equality is true only for certain value or values of the variable or the variable symbolized generally by x, y, and z and so on. So you'll understand the meaning with the example. So for example, the equation 2x plus 5 equals 3x plus 2. This is true only if x equals 3. And if x is not equal to 3, then this equation is not true. So let us apply the value x equals 3 in this equation and see what happens. So when x equals 3, the equation is 2 into 3. So here in the place of x, we have put 3 plus 5 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2. So 2 threes are 6 plus 5, 3 threes are 9 plus 2. That is equal to 11 on both left hand side and right hand side. If you add 6 plus 5, it is 11 and 9 plus 2, it is 11. So the statement saying x equals 3. If x equals 3, then 2x plus 5 equals 3x plus 2 is true. The equation is true. So, suppose if we consider x equals 2, then what will be the answer? Let us see. So, in the place of x, we will put 2. So, 2 into 2 plus 5, 3 into 2 plus 2. That is 4 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 2, which is 9 on the left hand side, 8 on the right hand side. So that is not equal. The equation does not equate on both the sides. Hence, it is said that equation is equated equal only if both the sides are having the same value. Hope you are clear. So, that is explained here. Thus, the above equality is true only for the value of x variable as 3. But in the equation with two variables x and y. So, in the last slide, we saw the variable of only x. So, when in the case of x, two variables, that is x and y equals 7, the equality holds true for several sets of values such as 0, 7. That means the value of x might be 0 and y be 7, or 1 and 6, or 2 and 5, or 3 and 4, or 4 and 3, 6 and 1, or 7 or 0, like that. Any combination which adds up to 7, that is the true equality of the equation x plus y equals 7. It is only in the case of identities, the relation of equality holds true whatever value is put on the variable. So, now what is identity? Identities. When equalities holds true for any of the given variables, they are called identities. For example, in the previous slide, we saw x plus y equals 7. So, for example, if x is 2 and y is 5, so 2 plus 5 equals 7. So, if that equation holds the value true, then it is called identities. Identities are equations that are always true regardless of the values of the variable in the equation. For example, a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we put any value for a and b, this formula holds good, that is true. So this is one type of identities. So here there is an example. So suppose a equals, sorry, this is a. So a equals 2 and b equals 3. So if we write this formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, then a equals 2 plus b equals 3 whole square is equal to 2 square plus 3 square into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 plus 2 is, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 square is 25, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12. So 4 plus 9 plus 12 is 25. So hence it is proved that any value you give for A and B, this formula holds good. This type of identities are proved and it is right. So another case again. For example, A equals 5 and B equals 2. So in the place of A, you have to put 5. In the place of B, you have to put 2 like this. So that is 7 square equals 25 plus 4 plus 20. So 25 plus 4 plus 20 is 49. 7 sevens are 49. Hence, it is proved that this equation, this identity is true. True. So there are some other identities also like this. For example, a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b into c plus d equals ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. A plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube equals a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So now let us see what are the types of equations that are there. First is linear equations, simultaneous equations, quadratic equations. Under simultaneous equations, there are two methods. One is method of elimination, other one is method of substitution. Under quadratic equations also, there are two methods. One is factoring equation, factoring method, and the second one is quadratic formula method. In this video, let us see the problems in detail. About more than 15 problems I'll be solving on linear equations. So let us see it one by one. So first, before starting the problems, we need to understand what is a linear equation. A linear equation is an algebraic equation in which the highest power of the variable or variables is 1. So the power to the variable is 1. This means the equations represent a straight line when graphed. For example, the equation when it is solved and represented in the graph, it shows a straight line. So linear equation can have one or more variables like x, y, but the key characteristics is that each term is either a constant or a product of a constant and the single variable raised to the power of 1. You'll understand these in detail when you solve the problem. Then you'll understand this in a easier way. So let us start. So the general form of linear equation is if there is only one variable, it is ax plus b equals 0. Here a and b are constants. X is a variable which you need to find out while solving the problem. The equation is linear because the highest power of x is 1. So here the power of x is 1. In two variables case, a plus by equals c. I mean ax. I have missed writing here, sorry. Please correct yourself. Ax plus by equals c. Here a, b and c are constants, whereas x and y are the variables. Next, for example, if you have one variable case, then 2x minus 3 equals 5. 2x equals, when you take the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign changes. If it is minus, it will become plus. If it is plus, then it will become minus. So when 3 minus 3 comes to the right hand side, then it becomes plus 3. So 2x equals 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 divided by 2. So when any product comes to the right hand side, then it becomes divided by, it comes to the denominator. So 8 by 2 is 4. Hence the x value is 4. In case of two variables, we are representing it like this: 2x plus 3y equals y. So now let us solve the one variable questions now. Solve for x. The equation is 3x minus 9 equals 0. So that we have to prove that the value of x when put here, it shows the value, it becomes 0. The value becomes 0. We have to prove that. So first for that we have to find out x. So let us write, given 3x minus 9 equals 0. 3x, here we have to move to the right hand side. So minus 9 becomes plus 9. So 3x equals 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equals 3. So proof. So we'll cross check whether the value 3 we have got is right or not. We'll cross check. So in the place of x, we'll put 3 in this equation. So 3x minus 9 equals 0. So in the place of x, we are putting 3 here. 3 into 3 minus 9 equals 0. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. So hence it is proved that the equation 3x minus 9 equals 0 is true. So you have to write the value x minus 3 holds good for this equation and no other value can be put for the value x. Next, solve for x. The equation is 3 into x plus 2 equals 18. So given 3 into x plus 2 equals 18. So we have to multiply. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 2 is 6 equals 18. 3x equals 18 minus 6. That is 12. So x equals 12 divided by 3. So the value of x is 4. This is how you find out the value of x. This is a simple equation. So these things are very easy to score also in the exams. Hope you are understanding. Any queries, you can post it in the comments or email us to educatorguru@gmail.com so that we can help you clarify the doubts. Next, solve for x. The equation is 4x minus 3 plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 16. So first we have to write the equation. Then 4 into x is 4x, 4 3s are 12, 5 into x is 5x, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 16. So 4x plus 5x is 9x. Here is equal to 16. Then minus 12 is brought to the right hand side, becomes 12 plus 12. Plus 10 becomes minus 10. So 16 plus 12 minus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 9. This 9. We have to, when it comes to the right hand side denominator, 18 by 9. So the value is 2. X value is 2. Next, solve for x. The equation is 3 into x minus 5 plus 4 into 2x minus 3 equals 2 into x plus 3 plus 3. So first you have to write the equation. Then 3 into x is 3x. 3 5s are 15. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12 equals 2 into x is 2x. 2 3s are 6 and plus 3. That we have to write. Then we have to add all the x on the left hand side. 3x plus 8x. Then on the right hand side 2x is there. That we have to bring it to left hand side, becomes plus 2x becomes minus x. Then on the right hand side we have 6 plus 3 9 and minus 15 becomes plus 15. Minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 9x is equal to 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Hence the value of x is 4. Next, x plus 5 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 31. This is the equation given. For this, we have to find out the value of x by solving the equation. So, here x plus 5 whole square looks like formula a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, x minus 2 whole square is similar to a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can apply this two formula for x plus 5 whole square and x minus 2 whole square and see what is the value. Let us see now. So, x plus 5 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square equals 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 31. So, applying the formula a square means x square, b square is 5 square, into 2 into x into 5. Similarly, a minus b formula, x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2 equals, here 2, we have to multiply this. 2 into 3 is 6x, 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 31. So this is the expanded form of the above this equation. So x square plus 5 5s are 25. 2 into x into 5 is 10x. Then x square, then we have to open this bracket. So minus x plus x square into minus becomes minus x square. 2 2s are 4. When you multiply with minus, it becomes minus 4. Then minus into minus becomes plus 4x is equal to 6x minus 2 plus 31. So we'll take all x value on the left hand side and the numerical values on the right hand side. So it becomes 10x plus 4x minus 6x. And on the right hand side, minus 2 plus 31 minus 25 and plus 4. So the answer is 8x equals 8. So when you bring 8 to the right hand side, 8 divided by 8. So the value of x is 1. Hope you are clear with this and understanding it in a easier way. So next, solve for x. The equation is x plus 5 divided by x minus 5 equals 7 by 4. So here you have to use the cross multiplication formula. X minus 5 into 7, x plus 5 into 4. This cross multiplication formula you have to use. So by cross multiplying, 4 into x plus 5 equals 7 into x minus 5 will be the equation. So 4x plus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 7x minus 7 5s are 35. So bringing all x values to the left hand side and the numerical values to the right hand side, it becomes 4x minus 7x equals minus 35 is minus 20. So minus 3x equals minus 55x. So here left hand side, right hand side minus will get crossed and becomes positive. X equals 55 by 3. This is how you solve when you get a fraction equation. Next, solve for x. 3x minus 5 divided by 3x plus 2 equals x plus 2 by x minus 2. So same way by cross multiplying, you get 3x minus 5 into x minus 2 equals x plus 2 into 3x plus 2. So 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into 2 is 6x. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 2 is 10. Similarly, here also x into 3x is 3x square, 2 into 2 is 4, x into 2 is 2x, and 2 into 3x is 6x. So when you do all the multiplication, you'll get this equation. So keeping solving this, keeping all the things on the left hand side, 3x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 10 minus when plus all these things, when it taken to the left hand side, everything positive becomes negative. So it becomes minus 3x square minus 6x minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. When you solve it here, plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled, minus 6x minus 5x plus minus 6x minus 2x becomes 19x, and 10 minus 4 becomes 6. So minus 19x equals, this is brought to right hand side. So it is minus 6 plus 6 becomes minus 6. Then minus 6 divided by 9 minus 19 is 6 by 19. This is the value of x. Next, solve for x where the equation is 4x by 5 minus 7x by 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4. So here you have to take the LCM on both the sides, 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10 and cross multiplication, 5 7s are 35, 4 2s are 8. So 8x minus 35x by 10. Similarly, 4 into 5 is 20. 20 minus 3 divided by 4. Here my 8x minus 35x minus 27x divided by 10, 17 by 4. So taking everything on the right hand side, it becomes 17 into 10 and 4 into 27. But when you cross multiply, the symbol y doesn't, the symbol negative doesn't change. It carries the same. So negative also is carried as negative in the multiplication. So minus 17 into 10 divided by 4 into 27 becomes 85 by 4. So the value of x is minus 85 by 4. Next, solve for x. 2 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 3 whole deducted minus by 3 by x plus 1 is equal to 2. So here also you have to take the LCM method and multiply x minus 3 into 3, 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. And the LCM is x minus 3 into x plus 1. So when you do that cross multiplication with the help of LCM, you will get this equation. So solving this, 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus 3 into x minus 1, and taking the denominator to the right hand side, it comes to the numerator side. So it is 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 1. So when you solve 2 into, first you have to multiply x minus 1 and x plus 1. So x into x, x square, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and minus x and plus x multiplied by 2. Similarly, 3 into x is 3x, minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Here also x minus 3 and x plus 1 is multiplied first, and then after this you will multiply the whole x square into minus x plus x minus 1 with 2. So you will get plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 2 minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. Solving this, here minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. So here 2x square, LHS, RHS gets cancelled. What remains is minus x plus 7 and minus 4x minus 6. So here minus 3x plus 4x is equal to minus 6 minus 7. So the value of x is minus 13. This is how you will solve. Next, problem number 10. Solve for x. The equation is x plus 2 by 2 plus 2 is equal to x plus 4 by 5 plus x plus 6 by 7. So by using previous problems method, using LCM on both the sides, 5 into x plus 6, 7 into x plus 4, it becomes x plus 2 plus 4 by 2, and here also 2 into 2, 4, the LCM is 2, here it is 5 sevens are 35. So you'll get x plus 2 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2, 7x plus 28 plus 5x plus 30 by 35. So solving, adding 7x plus 5x is 12x, 28 plus 30 is 58x. So you will get x plus 6 by 2 is equal to 12x plus 58 by 35. Solving further, you will get by cross multiplying. Here you can see 35 into x plus 6 and 2 into 12x plus 58. You have to do the cross multiplication to convert the fraction into a normal equation. So you will get 35x plus 210 is equal to 24x plus 116. 35x minus 24x equals 116 minus 210. Here we have taken all the x in LHS side, and the numerical numbers values on the right hand side. So 35x minus 24x is 11x is equal to minus 94. 116 minus 210 is minus 94. Hence, the value of x is minus 94 divided by 11. Hope this is very clear to you all. Next, problem number 11. So, till now we saw finding x by solving equation. So, here you have to frame the equation from the given question. The question goes like this. The sum of three consecutive numbers are 93. So find the number. So we have to find these three consecutive numbers where the total of those three consecutive numbers are 93. So let us assume the first number as x, the second number as x plus 1, hoping that is next greater, one number greater, and third number is x plus 2. So according to the question, the addition of three numbers is 93. So we have to add x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 93. So 3 times x becomes 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 3 equals 93. 3x equals 93 minus 3. So x equals 90 divided by 3, which is 30. So the value of x is 30. The second number is x plus 1, that is 30 plus 1, which is 31. Third number is 30 plus 2, x plus 2, which is 32. So when you add 30 plus 31 plus 32, the consecutive number sum will become 93. This is how we will solve the questions, by framing your own equations with the help of the hints given in the question. So similarly, we'll solve this question. The sum of 4 times of a number and 7 times of the same number is 33. So let the number be x first. So 4 times of a number is 4x. Then again the same numbers, if it is added 7 times, that is 7x. The result, the sum is 33. This is what they have told in the question. So we have to consider 4 times of the number is 4x, 7 times of the number is 7x. So according to the question, it is 4x plus 7x equals 33. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11x equals 33. So 33 divided by 11 is 3. Hence the required number, find the number, the required number is 3. Next, divide rupees 2000 between x, y and z so that y may have 200 more than x and z may have 100 more than y. So first let the share of x be, we don't know what is the value of x, y, z, but they have told what is the value of x and y and z on the basis of x. So first we will keep the value of x as rupees a. Then they have said share of y is 200 more than the share of x. So share of x is a, then more than it is 200. So a plus 200. Share of z is more than 100 more than share of y. So share of y is a plus 200 plus more 100 more you have to add. So you have to put 100. So the total of these, share of x, share of y, share of z, is 2000. That has been mentioned. Divide 2000 between x, y and z. So the total is 2000. Hence we have to, the equation is a plus 200 plus a plus 200 plus 100 is 200. So 3 times a is 3a. 200 plus 200 plus 100 is 500 equals 2000. So 3a is equal to 2000 minus 500. A is 1500 divided by 3, which is 500. So we found the value of a, that is share of x, which is 500. Then share of y is 500 plus 200, which is 700. Share of z is 500 plus 200 plus 100. That is share of y plus 100. That is 800. So this is how we will solve the questions where you have to frame the equation on your own on the basis of hints given in the question. Next, a man's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be one half. He will be one half of the age of his mother. So, how old is the mother at the present time? They are asking. So, first let us assume the mother age as x. So, man's age, what they have told, x into 2/5, and that is equal to the half, that is equal to 2x by 5. So 2 into x is 2x divided by 5. So after 8 years, mother age is x plus 8, whereas the man's age is 2x by 5 plus 8. So he will also be growing 8 years older. So you have to add 8. So next, according to the question, they have told 2x plus 5, 2x by 5 plus 8 is equal to half of x plus 8. X plus 8 is the age of mother. This is the age of man. So they have told after 8 years, the man's age will be half of x mother's age. So half of x plus 8. So this is the equation you have to write. Then by following the LCM method and cross multiplication method, you have to do 2x plus 8 by 5 is equal to x by 2 plus 4. Then 2x by 5 minus x by 2 equals 4 minus 8. Then 4x minus 5x divided by 10 equals minus 4. So minus x divided by 10 equals 4. 10 fours are 40. Crossing minus, it becomes plus. So the age of mother is 40 years. The value of x is nothing but the mother's age. This is how we will find the answer for this question. Next. If the mean of 5 observations, which is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 5 is 11, then find the numbers. So, mean, we know the formula of mean. Formula of mean is summation x divided by n. Summation x is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 divided by n. N is, they have given 5 observation, mean of 5 observation. So, the number is 5. N is 5. So, summation x by n is 11. That is mean. So, 11 equals 5x plus 20. If you add 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, it becomes 5x plus 20 divided by 5. 11 into 5 is 55. When it comes to the right hand side, number 20, it becomes minus 20 equals 5x. So, 5x equals minus 35. 5x equals 35. So, x equals 35 by 5, which is 7. So, the x first number is 7. So, the second number is x plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 4, 11, 7 plus 6, 13. The last fifth number is 7 plus 8, 15. This is how you will find the numbers. Next. A man bought a horse and carriage for rupees 3,000. The cost is 3,000. Then he sold the horse at a gain. Gain is nothing but profit of 20% and the carriage at a loss of 10%. While selling the carriage, there was a loss bared about 10%, thereby gaining 2% on the whole. The net profit was 2%. So find the cost of the horse. So let the cost of the horse be x because we don't know the cost of the horse. So let us keep it as x. Then cost price of carriage is 3,000 minus x. So cost of the horse we have to remove from the carriage. Then only we'll get the cost price of the carriage. That is 3,000 minus x. So according to the question, x, the cost of x has got 20% profit. So 20% is nothing but 20 by 100. Then minus 3,000 minus x is the cost price of carriage into 10% loss. So the 10 divided by 100. So we have put minus here is equal to 2% of 3,000. So on the whole is nothing but the 3,000 is the whole. So 2% of 3,000 is the right hand side equation. So solving this, how to solve this? Let us see. So x by 5 minus 300 minus x by 100 is 60. So x by 5 minus 300, removing the brackets, x by 5 minus 300, here minus into minus becomes plus, x by 10 equals 60. Then x by 5 plus x by 10 is equal to plus 60. This minus when comes to right hand side becomes plus 300. So 360. Here taking LCM, 2x plus x divided by 10. Then 3x by 10 equals 360. 360 into 10 divided by 360 into 10 divided by 3 becomes 1,200. Hence, the cost price of the horse is 1,200. Next, the profit earned after selling an article for rupees 1754 is the same as loss incurred after selling the article for 1492. So we have to find cost price of the article. So since we doesn't know the cost price of the article, let us keep the cost price of the article as X. Then, according to the question, they have told profit earned after selling an article is 1754. So 1754 minus X equals X minus 1492. So here minus X, when this X when brought to the left hand side becomes minus X. So minus X into minus X 2X, then minus 1492 minus 1754 becomes 3246. So 3246 divided by 2 becomes 1623. Therefore, the cost of the article is 1623. Next. The difference between the cost price and sale price of an article is rupees 240. If the profit is 20%, then find out the sale price. So, first let us keep the cost price of the article as X. Then selling price of the article is X into 120 by 100. That is 20% profit. 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 divided by 100. So, X into 6 by 5. Solving 120 and 100, it becomes 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So, X into 6 by 5. So, according to the question, selling price is equal to selling price minus cost price is profit. So, we know the selling price is 6x by 5. 6x by 5. We know selling price. So 6x by 5. Then the cost price, we have assumed it as X, is equal to 240. So 6x minus 5 here, cross multiplying, it becomes 5 into x, 5x divided by 5 equals 240. So 6x minus 5x is 1x is equal to 240 into 5, which is 1200. Hence, the cost price of the article is 1200. The selling price is 6x by 5. That is 6 into 1200 by 5, which is 1440. This is the selling price of the article. So, hope you understood the equations, finding out the value of X in the linear equation method. So, in my next video, I'll explain you about the simultaneous equations theory and also the problems part. Hope this was useful. I also request everyone to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the best and thank you. Ooh.